multi-card review. Hey, welcome back to a new video, welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. And in today's video I've got a very unique multi-game card. I've never seen this before. So this is for the, let's say Game Boy Classic. I will try it on some other Game Boys. I don't think it worked because the old first generation multi-game cards usually only work on the Game Boy Classic. And got some really problems with even the Game Boy Color. So I'm going to try it out, but overall, let's take a close look at the cartridge itself. What makes it so unique? I've never seen this before. You have dip switches at the top where you can select your game. So in other words, there is no main menu like we are used to, and you really just use dip switches. So if you put it at the left side, you have this row, so you select Tetris. After burst, Drum Boy, and at the end we have the Spartan X. If you put the left jumper to the right, or the first jumper to the right, we got alleyway, pinball. So in this case it's Quirth, or and put it this way, it's alleyway. I hope you get it. Let's try it out. Alright, it seems to be working in my Game Boy Advance. Really nice, because it makes recording way easier. So it's on the right, and here at the first, so it's alleyway. Indeed. Alright, let's try out another game. Let's put it out. Let's try Battle City. So that is the, let's see, there's the fifth game at the left. And it's indeed Battle City. Oh, really love this game. So yeah, people, really unique. I really love it. It's something I've never seen before. I don't know if you have seen a multi-game card this way. Because the normal cards I only see are the one with the main menu or the one with the little button where you can press it and reset it to the next game. I really hate those things because it took forever to play your games. Alright, let's try out a new game. Let's do one more. I want to play Dr. Mario, so I need to only put this one to the right. Oh, nice. We love this. Love the soundtrack. All right. I was looking at the camera. Crap. So yeah, people, for the final conclusion, it's really nice and really fun to make a review about. I want to thank the Collector Girl for giving me this opportunity for making this review. Really cool to see a cartridge like this, and give the opportunity to test it out. Again, thank you for watching and see you next time. Hi fellow YouTubers, I want to thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yes, and you also can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, don't give a shit about Twitter. But Instagram, I make pretty picture and I send on Instagram. So yeah, follow me.